how to change the GPS in your Escalade from kilometers to miles. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So if you're driving and your map changes to kilometers and meters, I want to show you how to change that back to miles. Now, it's actually nothing that you press on the actual radio. You need to come over to the gauge cluster and select the information button here, the second button. When you press it, make sure you get to the units. Right now it's on English, but it's showing metric over here. So you just press the check button. When I press the check button, it switches to metric, which is what we're showing here. So we're gonna press it one more time, change it back to English, and now we're in miles. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.